All right. Back to gRPC stuffs. See how it goes. See if my bot's on. Okay. Let's see, where were we? Gotta loosen up my shoulders a little bit. Okay. Have the proto generator. We need to see if it works. Let's see. I was reading stuff. TypeScript. Oh, I was gonna install Protalk. That's right. Did I download it? Okay, I got downloaded. Arc Linux for Linux. Protalk for Linux. 64-bit. Okay. So I can just use Axel. Oh, I downloaded it. Oh, and I also unpacked it. Okay, let's include. Bunch of Protobufs. ls bin. Move bin. I guess I'll just put this. I wonder if I should just leave this out on the outside. I should move the include though. Move the include to the server. Protos. I wonder, how does the include work? Let me see. Include any proto. What's any proto? Any. Type URL. Bytes. Interesting. Whoops. Include. Type. What's type? A protocol message buffer. Protocol buffer message type. Field. Why would I need that? Why would I need any of this? I might need timestamp. Timestamp's good. How would I? me ask ChatGPT where the include folder is supposed to be. Where is include folder supposed to be with Protalk? I guess I'll just make a Protalk directory. Okay. Whoa. Oh crap, I did that all wrong. I'm just gonna... I gotta retry that. Move that into the Protalk folder. Okay. Now we can unzip it. Okay. And then... Hello, what's up, Ghost? How's it going? Ghost! Ghosty Ghost. I'm still impressed about how good this Photoshop is. Oh my goodness. So impressed. I built this house. You built it with the brick in the wall. Right, I'm still trying to figure out how Protobufs work. Let's see if I can import the type and compile it. So if I go to... If I go to Hello World and I try to use timestamp, can I? What if I try something else, like something random? That's not even an error? Okay. Clearly there's no linting on my proto files. How do I get the linting to work? I mean, I need linting. Check out the clip. Oh man, I'm scared. Okay, let's see.
I'm gonna search it. I'm gonna search it on here and I'm gonna show you guys and I'm gonna exit out, okay? I'm not even gonna look. I think that's what it's called. Tribophobia, I think. Ah! Oh my god, I already saw it. Can you see? Ew. Oh my god, I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna scroll for y'all. I'm not looking. What do y'all think about this chat? I'm scared to even, I don't even know. I'm gonna switch it back. I'm not gonna look. Oh my god, no! How do I get out of this? Okay.
Ew, bro. It just looks like it just looks gross. Ew, bro. Ew. Okay, how do I get? Let's see right here. Pro Talk settings file. Okay. Example.vs code. How do I go to project settings? Path to Pro Talk. Protopath. Let me see. I can do project settings. Is there project level settings? Settings. Whoops. Why did it do this? Close that. Settings. Workspace settings? Okay. Whoa, dude. Can't what the I don't want to paste the clip. Where'd the JSON go? Here it is. All right, all right. Now we can do simul chat. I'm remaking my chatbot. I am re-envisioning it. Hold up. Okay. I think that's it. I don't know if environment variables work here actually. Do environment variables work in VS Code? Settings.json. Okay, cool. They can? But the functionality and how you use them can vary? Let me see if this works. Okay, I'm just gonna hope it works. Protopath. Server source. Protos. Server source protos. All right. Oh, damn. I gotta do like that. Workspace root. Java out? Damn, this looks scuffed. Okay. Do I got linting yet? Spawn. Simulchat. Okay, that didn't work. Typically, environment variables in JSON configuration items may not be directly expanded. Damn you. I think we can still work with it. I think we just need these curly braces. How about that? Protocol buffers. What do I do here? Formatting. Do we have linting yet? No? Apparently not, because none of this is erroring. Let's see. This is also not working. Configure. Manage extension. Oh, I gotta do workspace root. Do I need to do the root? What if I just do this? How did I activate it? Are we in business? It doesn't seem like it's linting anything. This is the bad thing about VS Code. It don't work right away. I have to use some random dude's plugin. What if I reload? Reload. That's what I gotta do. That's my solution to all my VS Code problems. The error's not coming back. But let me see. Is this working? Proto path, source.protos, server source protos. Yeah. Yeah. Configure. Still no linting. VS Code. Protos. Compile this proto. I'm scared what that's gonna do. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to I'll just commit what I got now before I start YOLO tossing in commands and mess up my project. Before JWT authentication and added gRPC web protalk command. Okay. Okay. Now let's try to run stuff. Compile. Missing output directives. Output directives. Yeah, it needs like it needs how do I get the linting? Let me see. You need the proton compiler. Use absolute path. Known issues. I'm not getting any syntax validation. I don't know how that's supposed to work. Java out. JS out. Over here, I'm not even using Protalk. It's just for the front end. But I do want syntax. I really just need the validation. Helps. But I guess I can't get that. The validation is just going to be at compile time. So actually, let me think about this. What if I move my proto files outside? That might be the play. Outside the server and the backend, I mean, because they're kind of separate. from both. Let's make the text a little bit bigger. Okay. I can move this outside actually. We'll see how that goes. And move them outside. Outside. Here we go. Let's move them. Pro talk. Plugins. All right. Plugins is empty. That's not, that doesn't sound right. So where'd my script go? Proto generator. Maybe I should learn how to use like Maven or something. Maybe I'll have like a tools folder. Where'd my install script go? What the heck? Protos. Oh, it's in here. Let's do that. Let's put this in tools. Okay. And the plugins, we need to add some plugins. Let me delete this. Okay. I think we're getting good somewhere. I'm gonna stretch real quick. Quick stretch break. Chest an hour or two. Sounds good. Be back in a minute. Just gonna stretch out. Oh man. There we go. That's it. I promise I'm stretching. There we go. Stretching my shoulders. Got a real stiff shoulders. Whew. How do you guys deal with such stiffness? All right, I'm back. Okay. So it looks like I still need to download. Looks like I still need to download gRPC web. I thought I downloaded that already though. It's okay. We'll get them again. Let's see. Linux. Copy a link address. Okay. We're gonna go to bin. No Protalk. Oh, we're just gonna do Axel. Download it with the Axel. What's the best opening for black? It's subjective, apparently. Finish downloading? All right. What is this? File. Not stripped? Am I supposed to chmod it? It's a plugin? Can you draw it out in ASCII? There's if I can't see, if I don't see have pictures, I'll have no idea what's going on. Okay, we'll let that finish. Let me go back to my script. That's a shitty drawing. Pawn, pawn. That's the best opening? One, two. Best opening is pawn to e4. You heard it here, folks. Project root. This is supposed to be front end. Project root is simulchat. You just do backend root. Protalk path? Let's see. Let's do hmm. Can I do a relative path? It's gonna be like that's a question too. If I do a path in a duo, Relative path in a script? Is it relative to the script or to where the person called the script? I think it's the latter. I think it's not about where the script is, it's about where in the command line terminal you are. Yeah, I'm right. Okay. That's no problem. I can do a project root project. Do a little project root here. We can go to tools. Tools bin protalk. Okay. Okay. Where does it spit out the stuff now? Out directory client. Yeah, that looks right. And then out directory generated. Funny how AI can just come up with test strategies I thought of years ago. Yeah, AI is just shit you thought of years ago. Everything AI does is basically shit I thought of years ago. I guess I should just YOLO go for run this script and see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna just do that. Let's just do it. Let's just freaking do it. Tools, proto generator. Gonna be protos. Whoa. No such type or enum timestamp. Creating server protos. So what failed? The server protos? Let's do echo creating client protos. Let's try again. Failing at I don't need to echo all that stuff out. Let me see. Huh. No such file or directory. Huh? No such type or enum in hello response. Where does the include folder go after unzipping Protalk? Let me see. Man, Protobufs, man. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do about these Protobufs? Why is it so why is it so complicated? Is it worth it to set this all up? I gotta look into that Linux hack also. Gotta switch to that Linux hack soon. That's interesting stuff. When compiling your protobuf files, you may need to specify location of the include directory explicitly if your proto files import any of these well-known types. This is typically done using I or proto path option of the protoc. Add it to my project directory. Command tells protoc to look in the include directory for any imports specified in your proto files. Okay, I think I need to Google this. Where does include folder go? Protoc. With the Protoc compiler, you can specify include folders. Send you as path include. Documentation is a little misleading. Look in the include folder. What is the I flag? What does the I flag do? I don't even put the I argument. I have include here. Google. Maybe it's something like Google dot protobuf dot timestamp. Ano ent syntax x syntax. VS Code does not have good protobuf support, sadly. What if I do workspace root tools? Now do we get the completion timestamp? Google.protobus timestamp. So I have to import it, I guess. Is there really no protobuf extension on VS Code? This is rough. There isn't a better one. Protobuf support. Oh man. This is Ruff's Proto. Use what's in the include folder. How do I import them? So if I just go to timestamp.proto. So it's in the package google.protobuf. Okay. So it's not about the the location of the file, it's about the package. Oh shit, wait. That worked. God damn it, it worked, I think. Maybe I should just do write some of my own protobuf support. Protolint. I'm still surprised that I can't get the linting working for this. Compile on save. Settings.json. Okay. Compile on save. Compile all path. For compile all protos action. Defaults to workspace proof. Root. Protopath. Did I get the protopath right? This is wrong. Okay. This is supposed to be Protos, I believe. Protos. Okay. So it's just workspace root and Protos. All right. We'll just do it like that. Give me linting, baby. Come on. Give me that linting. Strings. That's an error. Show me an error. Show me an error. Proto-based settings? Bro. Default formatter. No linter? Am I reading this wrong? Doesn't it say there's a linter in here? Syntax validation. You need Proton compiler. You need Proton compiler to enable syntax validation. You also need a settings.json file. On save. It ain't working. Okay, well, I have another test to do. So that works. Actually, I have an error here. No such file or directory. Let me fix that. I wonder if I should get Maven to do all these build commands for me. I think that's what Maven is for. I know that's what Gradle's for. But I don't know if I want to use Gradle. I thought they're supposed to do the same thing. Protalk path. This is looks correct. Tools. Oh, it's supposed to be Protalk, then bin, then Protalk. Is that what I have up here? Oh no, I'm using that. Okay, let's try again. Failed to compile. Timestamp is not defined. Can I include more than one file? I don't think I can. Let me separate these. Do project root. Oh. Is that right? Oh, okay. Let's this is a weird order. I need to do something like let's put this at the put it at the end. Okay. That makes more sense. Okay. And we can do something like project root, and then let's do we're gonna want to do tools, protalk, include. Okay, let's try it out. Timestamp is still not defined. Oh, this is a server protos. Timestamp is not defined. This is a long ass command. Timestamp is not defined. What if I snatch that, put that here? Okay, that doesn't work. Let's put this at the end. Put this in a variable also. Local proto loader gen types equals this. Okay. Then we can just do proto loader gen types. There we go. And then this down here, let's see if this works now. Failed to compile. Permission denied. Huh? What if we do that? What the hell? Why am I getting permission denied all of a sudden? What the hell? What? Permission denied? Let me just toss this in the chat GBTs. Actually, ChatGPT is already trying to figure it out, so let me use Copilot Chat. We gotta use all the AI possible, right, guys? My brain is smoothing out by the second. Oh, what? I just pasted my code. My brain is way too smooth right now. Pasted the wrong information. Here's the command. What? Why do I need to do that? Is it because it was like this? Why was this fine? Let me just comment this. Okay, let me just do this then. Now I get, now it's, now that's fine. Okay. Then let's just do it this way. Can I lint this thing? There's no formatter. Oh my goodness. Bash beautify. Okay. Which one's better? That or shell format? This one has way more installs, but it has 4 stars. Oh, this has 3 stars. Okay. Format. Now what? Oh, forgot that. Because bash does not reside in any. Okay, how about that? Timestamp is not defined. If I put this at the end, it yells at me. I'm seriously confused by that. Oh no, that's fine. Okay, never mind. Timestamp's not defined. Yeah, it is. It's defined right here. Tools. Oh. Okay. Not a valid identifier. New error here. Oh, I need to delete that. Try again. Oh, still not liking it. What'd I do? I need to use this as a command. Maybe. Can I do this if proto loader gen types is a command? Is a bin file. I don't think I can do this actually, because I think this only works with folder paths. Oh, I need a dollar sign here then? Oh, I gotta do underscores. It wants underscores. That's okay. Okay, let's try again. That's a local. I shouldn't be using a local variable. Typically used for functions within shell scripts. It makes a variable local to the function scope, not globally in the script. Oh, I am inside a function. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that works. Hmm. So it looks like the server is compiling stuff correctly, but we're having issues here. Maybe. Maybe. I guess this node modules package includes those protobuf files. Is that what's going on? So if I go to my server, and go to my node modules, and then I go to bin, then I guess not. Never mind. Proto loader. Build. Source. I wonder how it has those types. Because what I'm guessing is I can actually remove the folder and it'll still compile. What I'm guessing. Let's find out. I'll just move this folder like somewhere. Can I just like drag it over here? Oh, no, it's because it's WSL. Can't do it. Let me see. I'm just gonna move this to home directory and see what happens. And then we try to compile again. Oh, this time Directory does not exist. It did compile the server Protobufs successfully. How the hell did that happen? Let me see something. Then that means there has to be... I can't do a search on... Protobufs.js. Go here and what's this? Does it include all those things? Lodash. Timestamp. Google.protobuf. Huh. This is somewhere, somehow. I need to search my... Do I have rip grep? How do I search my project for a folder called Google? Find? Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Thanks for the raid, Moexy. How you guys doing? Dang. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Welcome. Welcome, Moexy rated my stream, so I guess I can thank her for that, I suppose. Let's give her a shout out. Even though basically everyone here is from her stream. Hi. So basically I am... Did what work? Ghost. Thanks, Ghost. Hey guys, so basically I'm a programmer for the company that made Pokemon Go. And if you're wondering what that company is called, Babing. You rated me offline, so you turned off your stream and then you rated me. So you guys are really offline fans. Offline viewers. Welcome, offline viewers. It ain't EA or Activision, and there's a big hint on my head. Titanic. PC crashed, LOL. Oh, damn. Actually, we used to be a part of Google originally. We did. That's why I'm learning Protobufs, actually. Trying to learn Protobufs. Are you guys programmers? Do you guys like cute Pokemons? Are you willing to look at cute Pokemons? Would you like to eat a Pokemon? New programmers? Okay. Okay. We'll take it. We'll take it. Basically, I'm just working on... Oh my goodness. What am I working on? I'm reading code that's in my node modules folder. At a high level, I'm working on a website that's also a chatbot stuff. At a super high level. But like, I've been trying to get Protobufs stuff to work. Which is a little deep. A little deep. Protobuf is a data serialization format. Here's an example. I have the most basic example right here. So like, you have a contract, I guess. This is a .proto file. .proto. And what happens is you have a front end. So I got in this project here, I got my server and I got my front end. And usually how people get them to communicate is they use JSON. So you probably heard of a REST API. So REST APIs are basically servers with endpoints that communicate via JSON. But Protobufs aren't for REST APIs because they're not meant for other people. They're not meant for the public to use. See, JSON is meant for like the public because anyone can like read JSON. Like there's no like unencrypting or anything or like deserialization really. It's just strings. JSON is just strings going through the wire. Strings going over the wire. Anyone can read it. The string, it even tells you the fields. Like if I like ask ChatGPT, give me a JSON example. Like JSON comes with the field names and the values, so anyone can read them. And that's the point of a REST API, is like you want everyone to read. You want everyone to be able to read the data coming through because you want anyone to use it. But Protobufs are meant for your own private server, for your own programs. So where they really shine is microservices. So if you're creating a bunch of microservices, Protobufs are the way to go. But they're not meant for the public like a REST API because no one's gonna understand your endpoints if they try to hit them. I am using gRPC. So gRPC is like a tool that deserializes and serializes the protobus for me. So I don't have to do any of that work, which is really nice. But if someone wants to read my endpoints, they need to know my they need my access to my proto file. And they also need gRPC, I guess. Actually, Postman recently supports gRPC, which is kind of cool. So like, I think I had Postman over here open somewhere. Let me see. Maybe not. Let me open it back up. Let's see. Oh, I installed Postman. What happened to my Postman? I do have it installed. Okay, here we go. So like, I can do like, you have your REST API basics. Let me see. If I do +, oh, it just creates a new one. Huh. Usually gives you like, asks you if you're using JSON or GraphQL. Hey, thanks for the follow, Amit. Can I make this bigger? No. Oh, I can. So basically, like, let me see. I'll just delete this. And then, oh, never mind. That didn't work. Go back. Oh, well. Okay, hold up. Delete that. Go here. API network? I know there's a way to change the protocol on Postman. How did I freaking do it? New collection? So what if I do like, what if I go here? Oh, here we go. So here's like your Protobufs. You do have your gRPC option now in Postman, which is kind of neat. And I'm going to be playing with this. Playing around a lot with this. Haven't really tried GraphQL too much. I think it basically does the same thing. HTTP is basically JSON, usually. Socket.io, I wonder what the hell that is. WebSockets. Oh, man. They got all kinds of stuff now. How do I rename this? Rename. Can I not rename this? Oh, here we go. Simul chat. Is low level. Teach you Socket.io later. All right, thanks, Ghost. I knew I can count on you. Think Socket is low level gRPC? Probably. I guess they use Sockets at the low level. Makes sense. But basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to compile this proto file. I think I figured it out. So basically, this proto file compiles down to, will compile down to TypeScript for me with this script I got. So I'm converting it to TypeScript. Let me see. But first, I gotta add the includes folder back in. Let's see. I'm gonna do include protos. Nope, wait. Tools. Protalk. Okay. Yeah. So this folder is like a. Why is this crossed out? Okay, here we go. This folder is basically a bunch of predefined protobufs that Google provides that are common. Hey, Shalon, how's it going? So we got like timestamp is the useful, probably the most useful one. I wonder what duration is for. I don't even know what half these things do. Seconds, nanos. I'm trying to. Hey, Shallon, I'm trying to compile these protobufs. See how far we get. But I have like this bash script. I'm just gonna run it. Let me see. That should work, I think. Let me see. Timestamp is not defined. Nonsense. Okay, I think I need to do like. Let's try Google Protobuf. Let's just put the whole thing. No? Because like I have timestamp here. And timestamp is like not my type. It's one of these types in this folder. All I wrote is this hello request and hello response. So this is like how you define a protobuf. You make a proto file, and then you define the message. Message is basically the type that you want to send over the wire. Hey, X-Men lives. X-Men, how's it going? X-Men is Fandrug. In case anyone's wondering why I'm saying X-Men. You can also define the RPC if you want. But I know once I get this to compile, I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Or like what the point of all this is for. But it's not recognizing this type. I could just remove it for now. Hold up. Oh, let me try something here. Let me see something. Did I write this path correctly? Let's see. Tools, Protalk, include Google Protobuf. Looks good. Protalk not recognizing protos and include folder says timestamp is not defined. Because a well-known type is part of Google's proto not being correctly imported. I am importing it. I have it up here. Import Google Protobuf timestamp. And then I gotta include. Here's how you can include. So I don't need. So it's not this thing. Okay, well, for now, I can just get rid of the timestamp and show you what I'm talking about. So I compile this. Oh shit, more errors? Using Protog Gen.js program is not found. Oh dear goodness. Okay. Let me see. What would say about me not adding semicolons to my abstraction language? Should I add them or not? You should definitely not add them. I don't know. I am a fan of not semicolons. That's why I like Golang. And why I don't really like, I mean, is it legal to like TypeScript? These days, I'm not so sure. Let's figure out what went wrong. Okay. Protalk, Gen.js not found. Program not found or is not executable. I guess it just needs to be in my path. How do I? It's unused. What is using that? This thing? Please specify a program using absolute path or make sure the program is in your path. I don't want to put this in my path though. Failed to compile. Can I specify the path to the plugin in the command? This is like the crazy command to compile the Protobufs. And the compiler is called Proto-C. Probably stands for Proto-Compiler. So setting up Protobufs is kind of a pain in the ass. But once it gets set up, once you're in there, things are smooth like butter. I'm telling you. So I can make int equals a equals a completely valid thing next, even on the same line. Is that, if you can, what would you do to, how does Golang do it? That's the real question. Pass to your proto file. Correct usage. Can I specify the path to Protalk Gen.js? Is that inside here? I just have this thing. Protalk Gen gRPC web. gRPC web out. I do need that. Where do I even download that? What the heck? I guess that's what this is for. Why do I have both of these? All right, I gotta Google. We gotta go to the Google. We gotta go to the Google and look up gRPC web. Where is that GitHub? Here it is. I'm the most helpful error in the world. gRPC web. A JavaScript implementation of gRPC. Streaming support. Okay, how do I use it? gRPC web runtime library. I didn't know we had a runtime library. What the hell? You can download Protalk from my release page. I already have Protalk installed. You will have to download it first from here. Okay. I already got this. I need that. Please use the release. I gotta download this. Oh, that's a bug. There's a bug in this README. You guys want a free PR approval? The link is wrong. This one's wrong. I think what happened was like, Google was like, They added this description and they accidentally replaced this link also. You guys want to support Google? Put it on your resume. Yeah, I supported Google. Yeah, the most helpful error in the world. All it says is parse error. I'm not unironically, I think I'm gonna have the most bugs in the text I make for syntax errors. I use Android already supporting them. Bro, Android, bro. Ew, bro. Ew. Using iPhone, bro. iPhone, bro. iPhone is for nerds. What'd you say, bro? Call me nerd, bro? Okay, fine. I'm a nerd. Okay, I think I probably have to be the biggest nerd on Twitch right now. If I'm like trying to figure out Protobufs. Who knows? Let me see. Okay, I gotta download one of these. I need the one for Linux because I'm using WSL. Let me see. Didn't you see? Wasn't there like a whole compression algorithm hack or something going on? You gotta look into what's happening there. Seems pretty huge. Seems like a pretty big deal. All right, let's download that. Let's download downloader. Download her. You are not a nerd. Stream is listed as. Oh shit! I'm in Helldiver. This whole time, bruh. Do I have my Helldivers in here? Do we spread democracy? I just want to spread some democracy. That's my whole goal. In case you're wondering. All right, let's go back to software development. But I just wanted to spread democracy. Freedom. Updating. That's taking a second. Okay. Let's go back. Let's go back. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. We finished downloading. So now let me just unzip. Unzip. Oh my goodness. What is all this stuff? We got a new bin folder? Oh man. Okay. What the heck? Oh my goodness. This folder got trashed. Okay. What if I just do move bin? If I just do this. If I just do that. I need this. I just need. Oh crap. No, that's right. Where is it? There's Protalk. There's gRPC web. Where'd my binary file go? Oh, hold up. One lower. Okay. Move it back up. Let's move it here. Okay, now it's right here. Right. Now let's try to recompile the protobufs. If that fixes it, I'll be very surprised. Protog gen, please specify. Needs to be in my path. How do I get... I don't want to put random stuff in my path. Can I just like include it? Can I just specify the path? Oh, here we go. Let me do that. Let me just do that. I'd much rather just define it in the command instead of adding it to my path. Adding stuff to your path for like... If you have to like add stuff to your path to get shit working, that's the wrong way to do things, okay? I'm telling you right now. Because you want to know what happens? You add all these dependencies that you need to your path file. And then you go on a different computer. And then you try to clone that project. Guess what's going to happen? Shit's going to hit the fan real quick. Real quick. That's why you specify everything in the command. All right. So this is going to be path to my plugin. All right, we're going to do project root. Then we're going to do tools, Protalk, and bin. All right, let's try that. Any luck? Okay, now I can't find this one. That's good. That's good because it is working. It is working. We are making progress. Okay. I just need to rename. Do I need to rename it? Or can I just copy the name of that file? Let me see something. CD tools, Protalk, okay. What if I can just copy this so I don't have to rename it? Also, I prefer to keep the versioning stuff and operating system on there. All right, let's try again. Plugin failed. It's in the same spot. Maybe it has to be that name. Program not found. Oh, I didn't save it. Okay, let's try again. Program not found. Protalk bin. Looks good. Oh, it's not executable. Oh Lord. Not executable. Okay. uns chmod plus x protoc jan. All right. Now are we somewhere? Anyone use Gradle or Maven before? I'm gonna need your support. Okay, cool. It worked. Finally. That was a mission. Okay. So we got our one Hello World proto finally working. So what that command does when it works is it creates this folder. Well, this is the wrong spot for the folder, but okay, well, this is the wrong spot, but whatever, it doesn't matter. It generates code, this TypeScript code for me, which is, it is the TypeScript manifestation of this protobuf file. First thing I use to Gradle Maven is just build clean install command. Okay. Yeah. There you go. That's most of it. That's 90% of it. Really. Basically the command you use 90% of the time. 99% of the time, really. Okay, let me fix this. But anyways, I have this generated folder. It defines the request, the response types, and everything for me in TypeScript. Oh, just like that. Nice and easy. I heard about Jenkins. I don't know what Jenkins is. Is that another build thing? Must be. Okay, I'm gonna delete this folder because I gotta fix the output directory. Where is the output directory? Right here. So this needs to be something like backend root. Bam. Okay. Let's try again. Successful. Okay. Let's see if my front end has it. Generated folder in here. No. Is it in the source? Oh, it's in the source folder. That's good. That's actually better. Maybe. Actually, maybe not. Do I want this in the source folder? It is source code, but it's generated source code. Does that go in the source folder? Does it go in the source? Okay. I gotta calm down. So the other one wasn't in the source folder, it was just in the outer scope. Other generated folder. TypeScript. This is better. Let me see. Maybe I'll just keep it outside the source folder. Dude, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Let's just put it in a source folder for now. Let me delete this. I'm gonna add source folder here. Source. All right. Okay, let's see if this works still. So I'm gonna try to hit the endpoint. npm run dev. I'm gonna try to hit that endpoint. Oh shit, there's an error. Let me see. No such file or directory. Source protos hello world.proto. Oh, that makes sense. The file path changed. Any tips on when I want to understand open source code base? Whew. If you think you're up to the task, I would make sure you have like a good number of your own projects first, maybe. But then, even when you're like written a good amount of code, going into an open source project is just like, you just gotta spend a lot of freaking time reading code, and then eventually you start to piece things together in the project. Eventually, things start making sense, but it does take a second. It does take a second. Let me see. How do I go out of? Let me see. I think I gotta do like go back out. Let's try that. There we go. Okay. Now let's go to Postman. I think I have reflection on so Postman can see all my endpoints. Let's try my hello localhost. Say hello. I need to make a request name. The name is Ron Swanson. All right. Invoke. Hell yeah. Result okay message. The name is Ron Swanson. Just like that. We hit that endpoint. Boom. Loving it. We hit it with gRPC. All right. And even Postman knows the request types, which is really cool. It also depends a lot on the project. The name is the simul shift agent. What does he do? This also depends a lot on the project. E.g., Ruby on Rails uses a lot of meta programming, which makes it hard to follow what is going on. If the project you want to get involved is using simple abstractions, will be easier. That is true. Some projects are just completely make no sense. It's spaghetti code everywhere. Shit's hitting the fan. Everyone and their mom contributed to it. Nothing is cohesive. I feel it. Not saying Ruby on Rails is like that. I'm just saying. But isn't this super cool? Even Postman knows the request parameters. Because if we look at my hello world.proto, you can see that the hello request accepts a name. And I can also add other stuff like, I don't know, int num times num times died for real. All right. Now that we finally got that compile script to work, I just run that compile script. Where'd it go? All right, here we go. Oh shit, int's not defined. Excuse my language. We'll just do int 32. I guess you gotta do, there's no int. There's only int 32 or int 64. Here we go. So if we go back to Postman, I think we have to refresh Postman. Let me see. Yeah, it's just name. How do we refresh this? Is there like a refresh button? What's this? Oh, I can switch the request here. That's neat. But what do I do? Control R? That didn't do anything. It's gotta be a refresh button somewhere. Come on. Where are you? Invoke? Really? What if I make a new request or something? I don't know. New request. It should have num times died for real. I'm not lying. Do I have to make a new request? If I like make it the same one. No, that didn't work either. Okay. Oh, right here. How am I supposed to know that was there? Dude, this is the worst spot to put a refresh button. How is anyone gonna see that? Oh my goodness. I don't even know how I found it. Okay. Oh shit, that didn't even work. Damn it. I have to restart the server too. It is office time. Alright, thanks for coming. Thanks for that follow me. I don't know if that alert command even does anything. But thanks for typing that shit out. Much appreciated. Why am I still in Helldivers? Someone explain. Can anyone explain anything to me? It's not letting me update. It just... Twitch wants me to spread democracy. They're not giving me a choice. Audio is behind? No way. Okay. I have to restart. Maybe I have to restart the stream or something.